Alright, so I'm waiting for my train to arrive. The plan for today is I'm going to Pachmadi, which is at the heart of Satpura. The plan for today is to explore a few high peaks, waterfalls must be flooded in this monsoon season, and if possible, I'll also try to camp overnight. So yeah, let's wait.
And shortly on platform number 3.
So I have arrived at the destination. Now I'm gonna take a bus at 9 to the hill station. It will take 1 more hour to reach the point.
0, 1, 7, 4.
So I have reached the town. I will eat something and then start the journey. I will go to Chauragarh temple, which is around 10 kilometers from here, and it will take around 2 hours of trek. That's the destination. It's 15 kilometers away from here, and if I walk all the way, it's gonna take 3 hours 47 minutes. I will hitchhike probably half of the way, and once the series of temples start, I will walk exactly or approximately around here from Bada Mahadev. Yeah, it's drizzling right now, but it's gonna rain soon because sunset is approaching. So yeah, the forest area has started. This is Satpura National Park. It is one of the few biosphere reserves in India. Different types of birds are found here. You can hear a lot of sounds, new sounds never heard before. Critters and birds. Oh man, scary. Alright, so I'm on the forest trail. The climb has started. It's still like 3-4 kilometers uphill. This is the trail. And yeah, it's raining cats and dogs. I am all packed and covered. 2 hours to sunset, and I'll probably gonna have to stay at the peak. So yeah, let's move fast and make it to the top. Yeah, have a view. Let's have a scenic view. Man, you can see the clouds dragging through those mountains. Whoa, there you can see. That's our destination. You could hear the local tribals. They are somewhere down here, returning home after collecting the firewood. Man, the town of Pachmadi could be seen from here, and you can also see the rain drizzling in the town. It has started drizzling again. Man, I love this weather. Now, the peak that I'm climbing is one of the highest peaks in the Satpura range. Oh man, it's a moment of bliss. Finally, I have reached the temple. You see in the background, this is basically a peak, and at the back you can see tridents brought by devotees. This is a Shiva temple. Alright, so I'm going to my campsite. It's just about dark, and I'm gonna wake up early and trek down. That's all for today. Alright guys, welcome to my setup. This is my sleeping mattress, and over it sleeping bag, my backpack laying around in the corner, water bottle, and this is the interior of my tent. It went dark quickly, so I had to find a spot at the temple premises, and I had set up the tent here. The time is 8:06, so I'm gonna wake up early, going to bed now. This is comfortable. It had been a very hectic day. I walked a lot today and climbed a lot, man. My clothes were all wet, so I had hung them outside. It isn't raining right now, but it will at in during the night. So yeah, let's wake up and see if we can catch up the sunrise. Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. Last night I had pitched my tent inside this shed. It's a closed shed. Gives protection from wild animals, as it's in middle of uh, biological hotspot national park. So yeah, this place is all covered with clouds for now. I mean, let's see if it gets cleared in a few hours. Alright, till then I'm gonna pack up, get fresh, and move ahead. Since there are no monkeys here, I'm gonna eat something. Satpura is famous for its cliffs. These cliffs are huge. I mean, they have a straight 100-meter drop. There is no room for any slope. All around us are such cliffs. It's basically a fault line in the tectonic plates that led to the formation of these Satpuras. And I'm eating these sprouts. Alright, so I'm out of the forest, back in Pachmadi town. Now I'm leaving for B Falls. I'll take bath there and then eat something and leave for home. So yeah, that's it. That was it. I'm on my way to B Falls. It's 1.5 kilometers from here. Already walked same distance. There was a tiger sighting few days before, as I was told. Let's hope it doesn't repeat. I mean, due to the fact that there was a tiger sighting few days ago, I suspect crowd to be there. It's general craze in people. So yeah, the place could be crowded.